knit this first stitch as usual, no changes at all, and then we're gonna add a yarn over in front of every stitch before we bind those stitches off. But the yarn overs will be different. We'll add a regular yarn over in front of purls and reverse yarn overs in front of knits. Here's how we do it. So we see that the next stitch on the left needle is a purl. That means regular yarn over. So we bring the yarn to the front of the work, over the needle and to the back, and then we bring the yarn to the front again to purl the stitch. Then we insert the tip of the left needle from left to right into the yarn over and the stitch that we've just knitted. So we go left to right like this into these both stitches and pass them over the first stitch from the tip of the right needle and off the needle, binding them off. Then the next stitch is a knit. That means reverse yarn over. So we bring the yarn from the back over the needle and to the front and knit the stitch. And then we do the same thing. We insert the tip of the left needle into the yarn over and the stitch and pass these two guys over the first stitch from the tip of the right needle and off the needle, of course. Purl stitch, regular yarn over, purl a stitch and pass these two stitches over the first stitch from the tip of the right needle. And that's how it works. Just keep doing that. Knit stitch, reverse yarn over, knit a stitch and pass these two stitches over. This method works great not just for 1x1 ribbing, but also for any other type of ribbing. So here's a swatch made with a 2x1 ribbing and a one made in 2x2 ribbing. See, the edge still looks nice, and changing the type of yarn over doesn't change the elasticity of the edge. All edges are very stretchy and they look great on all hems, and you can even use them for toe-up socks. That's how stretchy they are.